Welcome to Things That You Did Not Know About Yourself, starring Jason Zuleta and this other guy who he will introduce.
Hello, other guy. Do you like to smile? Are you single or in a relationship? Oh, I see.
Hello.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah, a lot.
What's your favorite sport?
Single. It sucks.
Oh, me too. What do you like to read?
Green and nipple. I mean, purple.
You perv?
That'll be all
women
for
hunting.
what I like to know about myself.
Playboy, of course.